Welcome to Mary Maxim's Make-Along. This demonstration is of the Autumn Mason jar set from Mary Maxim. In your kit, you will find medium weight picture wire, ribbon, size 4 worsted weight craft yarn, pattern, and 3 sheets of plastic canvas. In addition to these items, you will also need scissors, size 18 gauge tapestry needles, pencil or permanent marker, and a little bit of craftiness. Before you begin, make sure you familiarize yourself with the colors in your craft yarn. In this kit, there are 11 different colors of yarn. We recommend that you separate each color and get familiar with the yardage. We also recommend that you use a pencil to mark on your canvas. Before you begin stitching, make sure to erase the pencil marks so the pencil does not rub off on your yarn. Some people have a hard time seeing pencil marks on the plastic canvas. If that's the case, go ahead and use a permanent marker. We recommend a permanent marker over a water-soluble marker. Be cautious. If you use a permanent marker underneath a lighter colored yarn, you may see the marker underneath your work. You may also want to stock your craft room with several different types of scissors. Use big scissors for big cuts. These scissors are great for trimming the ends of the plastic canvas. These scissors are wonderful for small detailed work. If the yarn starts to get thick and difficult to pull through the holes in your plastic canvas, this is a great way to wiggle your needle through the canvas, ensuring that your canvas doesn't break. Thanks for joining us. We began cutting our first canvas on August 15th.